Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your senior citizen assistance business. Manually handling all the help requests and sharing updates can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will automate this whole process on our behalf. And not only this, I will also show you how to automatically store the client's details in your Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for senior citizen assistants with the help of Pabbly Chatflow and with the help of Pabbly Connect. This chatbot will not only respond to the user but will also feed the data in your Google spreadsheet. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message first. So here I am going to send a general message like hello. And immediately our chatbot responds us with, "Welcome to Golden Care for Senior Assistants on WhatsApp. How can we support you today? Please choose an option." And it has provided us with 3 options. I am going to select the first one that says request help. And our chatbot responds us with, "What kind of help do you need? Please reply with your location." So here I have sent a random response. And our chatbot responds us with, "Please reply with what do you need help with." So here I am going to send my issue. And the chatbot responds us with, "We have received your details as XYZ location, issue, pickup of diabetes medication. Our team will contact you shortly to assist." Next, I am going to choose this option that says community service. And our chatbot responds us with, "Community services near you. Free medical checkup every Tuesday 10 a.m. Senior reading club Fridays at 4 p.m. Gentle yoga session Monday to Wednesday at 8 a.m. Lastly, I'm going to choose an option that says talk to coordinator. And it responds us with, "One of the coordinators will connect with you soon. You can also reach us at this given number." Now that we have seen how our chatbot works, let's see if it has collected our data in the Google Sheets. So here, let's see. It has added XYZ location and issue pickup of diabetes medication automatically on our Google Sheets. So this is how our chatbot works. Now to create this chatbot, we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website first. And to do that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow. And it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on sign in. And it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now. And it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities, and stats. Next, we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up, we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here, you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up, we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up, we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations, and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs, or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I'm going to give it a more relevant name like WhatsApp Chatbot for Senior Citizen Assistance. On the screen, you can see there is a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression and it is a special pattern of characters which helps us by activating the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format which is this. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex. Here we also have an option to choose template and when you click on it, you will get a list of all the approved templates. You can choose any template to send to the user. To learn how to create template message, you can check the link in the description box. Once we are done with the basic setup, we can start curating our first message. And to do that, you can access text button option from here. And here I am going to add a welcome message. Here I have added this message and here I am going to add these little star signs because it will make the text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. Our message will look like this. Now with the help of this add button option, I am going to provide some quick reply options. So here I am going to add. First option is request help. I am going to add another option that says community service and lastly I am going to add another option that says talk to coordinator. So here I have created our first response and now we are going to create a response for each of the quick reply options. So let's begin with the first option that says request help. And for this, I'm going to access the action type notes and here I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. Then I'm going to place the question box here and here I'm going to add what kind of help do you need? Please reply with your location. Again here I'm going to add star signs. And here you can see we have an option to select contact custom field. When we click on it, we get a list of all the contact custom field. If you want to learn how to create contact custom fields, you can check the link in the description box. So here I'm going to select address and as format, I'm going to select any. Now we are going to link this question box to the corresponding quick reply option and then I'm going to ask another question and for that I'm going to access another question box. Here I have added this message, what kind of help do you need? Please reply with, what do you need help with? In the contact custom field, I'm going to select add and as format, I'm going to select any, then I'm going to link it to the question box. Now we want that the response of these questions get stored in our Google Sheet forms. To do that, we are going to click on this API request feature and then I'm going to drop it here. We need to get webhook URL from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to open Pabbly Connect's website. Here we have arrived on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. I'm going to click on this option that says create workflow. I'm going to name the workflow as Senior Citizen Assistance and then I'm going to click on create. So we have arrived on our workflow. First we have to choose a trigger application and for that I'm going to choose Pabbly Chatflow. And trigger event I'm going to send message received. Here we get the URL. I'm going to copy this URL. And then I'm going to paste it here. Here, I'm going to select post and as parameters, I'm going to add address and contact custom field, I'm going to select address. Then I'm going to create more field. Next parameter, I'm going to select add and contact custom field, I'm going to select add. Then I'm going to test it. And here we see status success, message response accepted. We are going to check it here. We have received both of our contact custom field. So next we are going to select action and as action app I'm going to select Google Sheets. Action event is add a new row. So here I have connected my sheet. This Google Sheet Senior Citizen Assistance. As you can see, select spreadsheet. I have selected my Senior Citizen Assistance. Now we have to map the data. So here I'm going to map the data from my Google Sheet, address and add. once we have mapped our data, I'm going to save and send test request. And let's see, here automatically the fields have been added. That means our automation is working perfectly. After saving the API request, we are going to connect the status fallback to a text button. And here I'm going to send a confirmation message. So here I have added this message. Our message will look like this. Here you can see I have written $address because address was our contact custom field, and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual address of the user. Similarly with this add, it will be replaced by the actual issue of the user. Once we are done with our first response, we are going to move on to the next, community service. And for this, I'm going to access the text button again, and here I'm going to add this message. Our message will look like this. Lastly, I'm going to create a response for talk to coordinator, and for this again I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to add all the contact details. Here I'm going to add one of our coordinators will contact you soon. You can also reach us at this given number. And this is how we have completed our WhatsApp chatbot for senior citizen assistance. Now if you want to create the same, you can do that by following the same procedure as I've shown in this video. And once you're done with creating your flow, you can save your flow from here. And once your flow is updated successfully, you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.